morning. It's Dr. Steph. And it's Dr. Jen. And if you haven't noticed, in our part of the country anyways, it is springtime. Not everywhere, unfortunately. Some places still having ice storms, but not here. Here, in the springtime, there's a really common habit or something popular to do, and that is gardening, planting your garden. And while it's so amazing, there's so many great health benefits from gardening.
Yeah, including just the fact that you're growing your own food. So you know what's going into what you're eating, staying away from the pesticides, the chemicals that go into some food. So you're really growing your own organic food, GMO-free organic food. And the other part of that is the dirt is good for us. Like, we need to eat dirt. I know it sounds funny.
It sounds funny, but it's so true.
It is. It's good for our gut health, for our microflora in our gut. From a health standpoint, dirt is good.
Dirt is good. Eat dirt. The other reason why gardening is so helpful for health is having your hands in the dirt actually helps reduce stress and produces these hormonal cascades that relax us. So it's really good to get your hands and feet in the dirt and connected with the earth. If you're interested in that, look up grounding. Grounding is something that we all need to actually do daily with our feet in the earth. So if you can do that on the weekend when you're gardening, even bigger benefit. What often happens though, what happens when people do a little too much gardening?
Yeah, sometimes people get really into it and they're out there for hours and hours. So number one, remember to hydrate, have a bottle of water with you. But the other thing that can happen is that you over garden, so you end up injuring yourself. So whether that's a low back pain, pain in the wrist, sometimes you get a stiff neck, that can all happen from gardening.
Absolutely. And those are all things that we help with. And I'll have to say Mondays in the spring are pretty common for people coming in like, oh, I spent 8 hours in the garden yesterday. And so we can definitely help with that. So if that's you, next week, give us a call.
And get your hands in the dirt. Do something good for your health.
See you soon.